Human Sound Effects by Digifx Series I is the sounds and voices of humanity from around the world, including such diverse locations as Finland, Belgium, India, Greece, and Spain. There is a great selection of children's voices and babies vocalizing, as well as all sorts of vocal foley such as crying, laughing, screaming, humming, coughing, snoring, yawning, and whistling. You will also find many different footsteps on many different surfaces and a good variety of walla from people in crowds. These 1,437 effects are available on 12 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete collection or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast WAV files. Human Sound Effects by Digifx Series I, only from Sound Ideas.